Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI X, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the display. Now let's tap on the wallpaper, and here we've got two different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. We can choose it from Google Photos, and actually you will be transferred to your own gallery, or you can choose it from the wallpapers which are defaultly installed on this device. So I will pick the wallpapers, let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the preview, and under it we've got the list of defaultly installed wallpapers from which we can choose. What's more, you can tap on My Photos, and obviously you will be transferred to your own gallery, and you will be able to set your photo as a wallpaper. But let me pick something from those options, and if you'd like to check the preview, simply tap on it, and now you can check how the wallpaper looks like. So let me pick something, maybe this one. I think it's quite okay. If you're happy with your choice, simply tap on Set Wallpaper. And now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it on the home screen, lock screen, or both. So as you can see, you can divide the wallpapers between the home screen and set totally another for this screen and totally another for the lock screen, but I will pick to set it at both. So let's tap on this option, and now let's check. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been changed immediately. Let me lock the device and let's check. And the same situation, it is also visible on the lock screen. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your UMIDIGI X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.